Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market. So gold market behaves really perfect compared to the trading plan that we have created. Actually follow the trading plan step by step, and that's really encourages us to proceed with this trading plan to major targets. So that stands at around the OP and 1260. So actually on the daily chart we have the scenario with the AB equals CD retracement. This is the part of our long-term view on the market. So currently we treat this action as retracement because we think that market stands the starting point of the new long-term bull trend, and as market has hit major target, this is just a pullback. On the daily chart it could see really very significant because 1260 it's big distance from the 1350. But in reality, this is just around the 30% retracement. This is minimal retracement compared to the rally that has started in August 2018. Currently, as you can see, this ABCD pattern looks perfect. So AB and CD leg shows the same speed. Both legs shows the signs of the thrusting action. It's really good. So everything looks really perfect with this pattern. So we successfully have traded at short since the 1322 area. Now, market stands very close to the daily oversold level. And on Friday we said, well, maybe it makes sense to wait for a pullback because market stands at the support in 1290. It's also Fib levels you can see on the chart, and this is also daily oversold. So although we expect a significantly lower level, but some reaction, some retracement on this support could follow. And currently, at this point, it's not really good moment for taking the short position. It would be better to wait some moderate pullback on the intraday charts, getting some bearish continuation pattern, and then trying to take the position. Concerning trading gold market on the long side, so this decision, guys, stands up to you because we're following the daily chart. And in daily chart, we have the bearish context. So from that standpoint, we do not trade the gold market on the long side, and we use any pullback just for getting the better price for taking the short position. But the scalp traders, if you trade on the hourly chart and use as a context, for example, hourly chart, where a trend could turn bullish and market could form some bullish reversal patterns, well, you could try to make the scalp long trade with the minimum targets. So this is possible, but this is doesn't correspond to our longer term view, and particularly speaking on the daily chart. And that's why we just do not take into consideration these possible trades. So currently, guys, you could see really tricky action from the gold market that gold likes to show. So take a look what we have on the forward chart. Here, guys, we have the ABCD patterns actually the same as on the daily. And if you remember, on Friday, we talked about the COP target. So market was standing very close to it, and we said, well, be prepared for a pullback. Do not go take short positions. Wait for reaching COP and some moderate pullback for taking the short position. And take a look what has happened on Friday. That's reaction also on the daily overbought. It has happened in the touching of the Fib level. And indeed, some pullback has happened here. But take a look what we've got next. Here, market has formed bearish grabber, and this grabber suggests the taking out of these lows. That corresponds to the idea of the reaching of the COP. Gold market likes to show this kind of action when it shows some kind of the fake retracement before reaching of the COP or some other major target. It shows the visuality that retracement indeed already has started. Traders step in, some scalp traders trying to buy here. And once the retracement has started, it shows minor pullback and then drop again back down to the major target, trapping the traders who have taken the long positions in the wrong way and grabbing the stops. This is really favorite action from the gold market. Now we could get something of that sort. So you can see grabber has been formed. It means that market should drop below these lows, and it simultaneously should lead market to the COP. Since 1283 will be again somewhere around daily oversold, that's the point where a major pullback here could start. And right from this moment, we start watching for moderate retracement and possible bearish continuation patterns. So kind of the end of the retracement, maybe where the market could turn down again. So that's our trading plan for a coming week. As a bottom line, in the beginning of the week, we expect some minor continuation reaching of the COP. And through the week, we expect gradual retracement here, reaction on the support, reaction on the COP target, which could give us some better price level for taking the short position and take position in the continuation with this ABCD pattern.